So I researched from the beginning of this process, and I'm now in the final part of my project, which is meeting who is exporting this hair abroad. And it's really beautiful. It's been a really crazy journey because I could see how these two worlds, which are apparently very different from each other, are linked by one thing, which is human hair, especially women human hair. So from these villages where everybody comes from everywhere in India, and they go there, and for a deep spiritual reason they shave their hair until these hair are collected and they are sold in a auction, and to the point where these hair are worked, processed, and put in a way that clients from everywhere around the world come to India. So this has been a really crazy journey. I must say, not without difficulties, because in the temples they are not really happy to have people around taking pictures. So to have permissions, it's been quite hard. But people were very happy and very open to help me and to tell me the reasons why they decide to come and shave. And I met a lot of beautiful people. And now I'm talking with Mr. Shiva, and he is explaining me all the process. He's telling me what do they do and how they ensure so much quality and how they make their client happy. And we are about to go to a factory where he will show me the process of washing and separating the waste from the good hair and everything. So thank you, Mr. Shiva, for your time in this project.